Okay, we'll start with the Mustard R30 size 12. Dry fly hook. I've got shear 40/0. Grey. We just attach our tying thread and go back a little ways. This is not only a very good fishing pattern, but it's very interesting to tie. It's a shame it's not used more than this. Now I'm using fibbits. I'm using brown and barred fibbits for the tail. So we just put a little bunch of these in. Attach those like that. And a little bunch of the barred on top. And just go back. Like so. And we can go back up. To about the thorax. And we can trim those off. There we are. And what I want to do, we just go back. A wee ways like that. Then I'm using some super fine. I'm using the dark tan. I'll just apply this dubbing. Get a little twist. Push it up. Catch it in with a couple of turns. I can apply the rest. A slight taper on this, ever so slightly, as we approach the thorax. There we go. We get to that. I've got a grizzle hackle, which I'll just tie in there, like so. A brown hackle, and just go in behind the grizzle, like so. And I'll get these two together, pull the stems up and go forward. And just trim off like so. A little bit further forward. I just want to push those hackles a little closer together, like so. Okay, and we'll wrap these together. Do as nicely there. 2 or 3 turns behind, then we'll pull everything back. I've got 2 or 3 turns. A few more of that. Get everything back. There we are. Like so, and then I can remove those. Get the hackle in position. Well, and what we need is a little bunch of deer hair. Pull those hackles out the way. There we are. And then we'll go twice around like that, and then we can tighten in. Go through the hair a little with each time you tighten, just to keep it nice and tight, stop it from slipping. Pull everything back. Put a whip finish in there. Just get that hair out of the way. There we are. Give it one more whip finish. There we are. I'm satisfied with that. Get rid of that and that. Make sure that everything's in position. Good. And I can hold all that. And take the head. Don't like that one. I'll take that one as well. And that's it. A very simple fly but very effective. That's the hair wing Adams. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.